Welcome to episode of Damage TV. This is Damage Creator back in the video. We are unboxing today's package. Today we got a package from eBay. I do know what this is. I believe this is my wig. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait. Oh, I don't know what my blue scissors are. All I know is that they're not in my possession right now. Oh, okay. So, this is another bag, which is good. Let's open this up. So we got this pink wig. Oh, uh-oh. Ooh. Oh, yeah. It's some static already. Look. What? What? This was not the way that I saw. Come on. Oh, this is staticky. Y'all see static? Come on, science. Y'all see a science right here? Okay, anyway. Enough of that. This is supposedly the wig that I've gotten from eBay. Because I'm going to tell you, I've been disappointed. Because what the hell is this? This was not the way. This is supposed to be longer. So I got gypped. It's not even like the. I'm gonna show you the matter of fact, I'll put that in the thumbnail. Like this is not what's supposed to be received. Look at this. I don't know. I'll just make it. I don't know. I should went back to Waba hair. If you haven't seen a review, go ahead and check it out. And you'll see why I should went back. Cause y'all is tripping. This is crazy. This was not given what it's supposed to give. I don't know. Maybe I'm just not looking at it from a different view. It's supposed to be. I'll show you what it looked like in the thumbnail compared to what this is. Um, it is soft though. I love the softness. I love the texture of it. I should have known that when it came in, this was gonna be a little bit light. And now I'm pissed because it's just like, bruh, you come in here with all this static. Look at that. You come in here with all this static, bruh. And it's not the right type of static I'm looking for. And it's shedding. It's what? All I did was put my fingers through it. Look at that. That's literally one of them highlights that you put on your hair when you get those dolls. They have highlights and streaks in their hair, and you want to be like your doll, so you get like the little clip. That's what this is. That's literally what this is. I want you to see how bind that is. Let me zoom out, and then come on now. That literally, that's shed. Let's see how much hair comes out. All I did was shake, bro. All I did was shake, and hair is still coming off of this wig. I don't know why I keep putting myself in these situations. Bro, I'm still gathering up hair. Look at that. That's a piece of damn bang. This is a whole 2 out of 10. I'm never buying from that company anyway again. This is ridiculous. It looks nothing like the picture. Come on now. Look at that. I'm still picking up hair. Now, if you saw my Wobble hair review, you would know that for that right amount of money that I spent on that wig, it should have been high quality hair. That's where I should have fucking went. Oh my goodness. Look at this. This is all the hair shedding from that damn wig. 2 out of 10. 2 out of 10. The only reason why I gave it 2 out of 10, the color's right, but it's only been worn one time. I cannot believe this. That's pretty much all. Enjoy the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video, share cool stuff, and click the notification bell. Don't shop. I can't believe this. The other wig that I got from eBay, it was fine. It was great. I actually wore it this year for Halloween. It was a great one. But this? Oh, this is terrible and trash. I'll see you all next time. Bye.